the partaking. He said the road less traveled is for the humble and patient. He said the road carries risks and many broken bridges. It's lined with barbed wire, not some pretty picket fences. And the feet didn't tread over me, know this. Focus for roses, and you get these cockroaches and vultures that are supposed to eat you. When the culture defeats you, on your knees screaming peace, dude. See, y'all, we seem tall, then we all meet God, and we seem small till we meet these fronts that teach us to sling rocks and hears and recounts tales told by all sorts. The sidewalk talks from Houston to New York, writing words of fine talk from LA to Newport, walking home from school and walking on ball courts. It hears and recounts tales told by all sorts.